Hi everyone, I'm Mohammed. In this video we are going to discuss how can we make picture frames like this one, or here, here and here, or here. So what was the idea behind it? In here, in our reference, as you see, we have picture frame in here, here, or in our bedroom, and even we have it in our kids room. Okay, so in our last videos we made a picture frame like this. I put a picture on it in SubPainter and all of that stuff. So as I discussed in our past videos, I've told you that if we make it in SubPainter, we can't use it over and over. For example, I can't change the picture in here by clicking in another picture because it's in a texture set that we made in SubPainter, and that's it. We can't do anything. We can't change it. But the way I made this picture, we can change it. Our frame is gold, for example. In here we can change it to maybe silver, for example. Okay, or we can change our picture, for example, not this picture, maybe this picture, maybe this picture. So let me undo that. So how did I make that I can change it however I like? So I thought that it's not just one picture. We have, for example, 3 in here, 1 in here, and here and here. So should I make 10 variety of these picture frames? No, I should not. So the idea was like this. I said to myself, okay, this is my picture frame. I put 3 texture sets on it. If I separate it, we have 3 parts. This is our window. I put glass texture on it. That's the reason it's transparent, because it's glass. I put another texture set in here, and it's red. So this is the power of texture set that we can use between Maya and Unreal Engine. This red part is this part. We can change it. For example, in here we can change it to another material, as you see. Okay, or maybe we can change our glass. For example, let me search it face. For example, this is another glass. It's a little bluish form. Okay, so I put 3 texture sets in here that I can change however I like. So then I combine them all together and say, okay, picture frame wall, and export it to Unreal Engine. As you see, it's in here. And for our UV, so for our UV, if I separate it, look at it, this is our window. Okay, but this part, the picture part, I use all texture. I didn't, for example, use it like this, because when we import our pictures in Unreal Engine, it uses 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. It doesn't, for example, use our picture like that. And if our picture is a 16 to 9 like that, Unreal Engine stretch it like this. Okay, and that's the reason we can freely use our UV like that, and we don't have to be worried about other things. That's it. It's our UV, and yeah, that was the idea. So this is our picture frame with 3 elements, 3 texture sets, and then however we liked it, we can change it. I put 3 picture frame in here with different pictures. And how did I add the pictures? I searched on my computer and imported these pictures, as you see, and went to my I made a master wallpaper, a shader, just a simple roughness and base color. And the base color is, we can change it however we like it. Then I did a create master instance, and in here, where is it? Pictures. I said, okay, picture 01, picture 02, 3, 4, 5 to 10. And for example, come in here and search it like that. For example, not this picture, maybe this picture is better, maybe this picture is better. And yeah, for our kids room, I applied some kind pictures, and as our character is architect, we I added a architecture picture like that, some flowers, and yeah, I hope you get the idea, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you till the next video. Goodbye.